have?
I think it is a challenge for us, and it's a challenge for the IT industry. And let me put it into perspective, the information at scale that we're talking about, because when we talk about big data, when we talk about the exploding digital universe and what's taking place, no one in industry has this problem solved. And I'll tell you some of the things that we're doing. But first, I'd like to put it into perspective. We talk about a petabyte of data. We talk about gigabytes of data. If a byte of data was a grain of sand, a petabyte of data would be all the sand in a beach, 100 yards wide, 1 foot deep, and a mile long. It's not a needle in a haystack problem. It's a massive information challenge that's taking place. Roadrunner at Los Alamos became the first machine to become petaflop in 2008. By 2018, we're going to be facing exascale architectures. And think about an exabyte of data. That's all the sand in a beach the entire length of the coast of the United States.
Wow. So,
and then if you think about networks to support it, you can multiply that times 8 because there's 8 bits in a byte. So the information challenge, I believe, is the #1 challenge facing the IT industry. Well, what we did, and just recently, and it'll be announced a press release next week, but we also pre-announced it at the supercomputers, we started a research and development, cooperative research and development agreement with Los Alamos. So how do you get to exascale architectures? So in 2018, we're hoping to be back on top of the world with the fastest supercomputer. But how do we deal with an exabyte of data? That's yet to be determined. But those challenges are being worked in the research industry.
Terrific.